Hey guys, welcome to Covers by Kuda. My name is Kuda, and for those of you who don't know me, welcome. Please do subscribe, please do like, please comment, please share the video, and join the family. For those of you who do know me, welcome back, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much for suggesting songs and just interacting with me and, growing with me. I really do appreciate your support. It is so overwhelming. Yeah, and let's grow. Please do share this. Please like, subscribe, do the most. All right, so this week we're doing a love song. It's Kahle by Amanda Black, and it's a song I love so much. And the reason I chose the song is because there's been a lot of celebrations of love the past few weeks, which is amazing. And I think because of the year we've had, it's so great to be able to celebrate something, especially love. So I thought, why not do a love song? Let's celebrate love. Let's love each other. Yeah, enjoy the video. That's all we need love. Got this love that we share that nobody could take away. Unditana dinjena, nizokutana forever.